Ooh, we got an old one today. This is a White-Westinghouse 12-inch desk fan. I don't really know what year it's from. March of 2000. That's what it says. Or October of 99. One of those two. It's got the old switch knob on the back. And it is moving incredibly slow. Yeah, the first one's low and this is high. It's moving incredibly slow and I don't know why. Let's see how durable it is. Ew, now it's all covered in egg. It's so loud and shaky. Gotta fix that. Shut up. Jeez, these plates are so brittle. I'll admit this thing is kinda durable, but not that durable. I couldn't tell if that was a flame or not. Certainly giving a fireworks show in there. Oh. Uh-oh. Aww. I believe that was the last of it. The stand is kind of sturdy. Never mind. Wow, this thing is like the toughest part of the fan. And that's the end of the White-Westinghouse fan.